All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. I did inform you that we're back inside of our Moccasin favorites module, and this is going to be a read-only module. So let's pick up with some light reading. Now today we're in a new section from the one we were yesterday. This one is going to be Moccasin favorites creating project. So let's dive right in. So in this section, we will go over the process of creating a project using Moccasin. Now that we have Moccasin installed, we can create a new project. In the last section, we used the UV init tool to start our folder structure, but now we will use the mox init command to create a new project. This command is a built-in tool that sets up the initial folder structure and files needed for a Moccasin project. This command will create a new directory with the specified project name and generate the necessary files and folders. We will not be running this command alone. The entire command we want to run to initialize our project will look like this. We'll have mox init vs code py project. And this command will give us all the files and folders we need to begin creating our Moccasin project. We will do a brief walkthrough of what these files do. These are the files that were initialized. We have the settings.json. I'm not going to read all of it. I'll let the screen stay still so you can pan over it yourself. We have the settings.json. We have the lib. We have the script. Let me move down a little bit so you can see what else we have here. And we have the test. Now these are the files that get initialized once we actually run that command. This mox init vs code py project. Now, again, like I said, this is going to be a read only, so I'll take my time with it and make sure that I'll read over everything and let you read over everything that you can read over as we go forward. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.